Lot 155 is a 2006 E-450 handy bus. This bus has been running here for like 40 minutes now, idling nice and smooth. Motor sounds really good. It's got 91,000 original miles. The tires are really good. The body overall is straight, but I'm going to show you some damages I did see on the roof. Let me show you the tires. Lots of meat there. The back ones also have meat. It is a handy bus with a wheelchair lift. Let me show you the damage that I saw. Right there, as you can see on the top, on the passenger side of the bus, it's dented. That did not affect the interior. The interior is nice. You're gonna see it. But you can see the damages up there. But on the sides, she looks really good. All right, the interior. It appears to be complete. The AC in the cab, the engine AC, is cold. Nice and cold. Okay, the dash is good. It doesn't have a radio. Okay, the motor sounds really good. Temperature is good. Got a full tank of fuel. Driver's seat looks good. It's got 7 bench seats. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats, plus the driver's 7. So it's got 3 seat belts per chair, per bench seat. The ceiling looks good. Like I told you, the damage did not affect the interior of the ceiling. Okay, the floor looks good, nice and solid. It's got strapping. It's got the wheelchair lift. This AC is not turning on at all. Good little bus. Like I said, it's been running for quite some time and nice and smooth. The AC is blowing cold in the cabin, the front cabin here. All right, that's pretty much it. Good luck.